Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to introduce our group member team presentation. My name is Ida Chonglong Wang Tanaka on the effect of merger and acquisition. In this presentation, we will look at the wealth effect of these events, as well as the behavior, CO, and characters of deal. I look forward to discussing the further topic with you all. So, the theoretical framework behind the wealth effect. The wealth effect refers to changing in the shareholder value resulting from a merger and acquisition transaction. We will examine the factor influencing with the wealth effect, such as market condition, firm characters, and deal structures. Additionally, we will discuss the empirical evidence and limitations in this lecture and explore our moderating and mitigating factor that maybe affect the wealth effect.
Okay, next I will talk about CEO behavior traits and their effect on M&A outcomes. The behavior of CEOs has been identified as a key factor in understanding and maximizing the wealth effects of measures and its questions. Studies have correlated CEO characteristics with their behavior, finding that aggressive CEOs are more likely to pursue mergers, while conservative CEOs may be more successful in managing the deal. Additionally, CEO traits have also been linked to deal characteristics such as premium, size, and synergy. Therefore, understanding the impact of CEO behavior on both the deal and the wealth effects of mergers and its questions is essential in order to maximize the potential returns from such deals. And next, understanding the traits and the behaviors of CEOs can have a considerable impact on the outcomes of mergers and its questions. Overconfidence and narcissism typically result in both value distraction and additional urgency costs. Risk-averse behaviors and managerial hybris also play a part in producing negative mergers and its question outcomes. Examining the interactions between these traits can determine the moderating factor that can influence that outcomes of mergers and as questions is essential. Research into this area is essential to assist in developing practical implications for corporate governance and executive selection.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanaka, and in this section we discuss how research has uncovered numerous vital aspects that contribute to comprehending how corporate cash flows and reserves, as well as payment methods, can potentially impact the wealth effects of M&As. Cash reserves can assist firms in financing their investments without having to take on extra debt. Additionally, it can provide financial stability, allowing them to cover short-term requirements and optimize their cash flows. Furthermore, it can reduce their cost of capital and strengthen their overall financing capabilities. On the other hand, having excess cash reserves can overshadow these benefits, bringing about potential drawbacks. Further analysis is also required to achieve more knowledge on M&A wealth effects, payment methods, and the role of cash reserves. There is great importance in researching the size of firms, along with studies done to assess how mergers and acquisitions affects the size of the acquiring firm. In fact, in 1971, Ijiri and Simon conducted an empirical analysis on firm size distribution. Then, 5 years later, in 1976, Professor Robert Wilson was the first to research the theoretical literature related to sealed bid auctions and the asymmetry within them. Again, we must point out that additional research on the subject is essential in understanding CEO behaviors and deal structures within M&A wealth effects. In conclusion, our research has examined the wealth effects of mergers and acquisitions, CEO actions, and deal traits, offering theoretical frameworks, empirical proof, and future research directions. Our investigation highlighted the complexity of M&A shareholder value production, the effects of CEO conduct on mergers and acquisitions, and the empirical data on value outcomes. For management recommendations, we suggest thorough corporate governance, due diligence, and R&D. As for the investor, using the board and your shareholder plan rights helps observe if synergy valuations of opportunities correlate with their needs. In future, we should widen our M&A sample size towards all industries to generate a more inclusive value structure. This has been our presentation. Thank you very much for your time.